Hello, I'm Josh, a local resident in Lambeth. I'm currently in a beautiful but rather soggy Brockwell Park, here to talk to you about a few local projects I help to deliver that reduce carbon and improve air quality for those living in and around the borough. I work for Cross River Partnership, a non-profit that has been delivering positive change for London's residents, businesses and visitors for over 25 years. One of our main projects is the DEFRA-funded Clean Air Villages project, where we work in collaboration with local authorities, business improvement districts and landowners across London to improve air quality in areas where both air pollution and population density levels are high. Last year in Brixton, we launched London's first shared electric van in collaboration with Lambeth Council, Brixton Bid and Zipcar, to help support local businesses in trying new methods of low emission transport for their deliveries, pickups and other work related trips that would otherwise have been taken via polluting vehicles. Since its launch in December 2019, the electric van has clocked over 2,000 miles, with more businesses signing up to use it each month. In Streatham, we've launched a shared cargo bike scheme in collaboration with Streatham Bid for local businesses to use for their deliveries. As well as reducing air pollution and congestion, the scheme has been a lifeline for those who have been unable to leave their homes during the COVID-19 crisis, delivering medication, hot meals and essential items to help those in need. We've created step-by-step guides for other local authorities and bids to implement their own shared electric van or cargo bike schemes, and we are now working with new areas this year to help find solutions to air pollution hotspots across other areas in London. Clean Air Villages, as well as all of our other projects at Cross River Partnership, are leading the way in ensuring we have a safe and sustainable recovery from COVID. The climate crisis is still here, and our work is supporting a transition to low carbon economy across public, private and community sectors. For more information about our work, visit our website at crossriverpartnership.org and follow us on social media. Thanks very much and stay safe.